Welcome to today's review on the Pioneer DJ DDJ-FLX4 2-deck Rekordbox and Serato DJ controller in white, limited edition. This sleek, compact DJ controller is one of the most beginner-friendly and versatile options available. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this DJ controller at the best price in the market. From the moment you unbox the DDJ-FLX4, you'll notice how thoughtfully Pioneer has designed it. The layout is intuitive, buttons and knobs are logically arranged, and the compact size makes it easy to carry between gigs or practice sessions. One of its standout features is the multi-device compatibility, which allows you to easily switch between Rekordbox and Serato DJ software, giving you flexibility depending on your preferred platform. Connecting is simple thanks to the included USB cable. No extra audio drivers are needed, and it works effortlessly with both PC and Mac. The two decks are responsive and perfect for mixing tracks live, and if you like to MC or sing over your sets, the controller automatically handles audio mixing so your vocals blend perfectly with the music. For anyone starting out, this is an especially big advantage because it reduces setup complexity and lets you focus on creativity. Even for professionals, the DDJ-FLX4's compact footprint doesn't limit performance. The controls are highly responsive, the jog wheels feel natural, and the faders allow for smooth transitions, giving you confidence whether you're performing live or practicing at home. In terms of design, the white limited edition model is visually striking, giving your setup a modern, professional look that stands out on any stage or streaming setup. While it is lightweight, it's also sturdy enough to handle regular travel and frequent use, which is a great balance for DJs on the move. On the downside, if you're looking for extremely advanced features like motorized jog wheels or extensive pad modes found in higher-end models, this controller may feel limited. But that is intentional since Pioneer designed the DDJ-FLX4 to be accessible, efficient, and beginner-friendly without overwhelming users. Another minor consideration is that while it handles mixing for vocals and tracks seamlessly, dedicated audio interfaces might still provide slightly higher sound customization for professional studio recording. Overall, the DDJ-FLX4 delivers everything you need in a portable, well-designed, and easy-to-use DJ controller. Its compact design, plug-and-play simplicity, and multi-platform support make it perfect for both practice and performance, and the white limited edition adds a premium aesthetic that complements any setup. The affordability is also a major factor. Compared to higher-end models, it provides excellent value without sacrificing essential features, making it an ideal choice for someone looking to start DJing or upgrade from an older, less capable controller. The intuitive layout, responsive controls, and automatic audio mixing for vocals mean that even beginners can start performing confidently within minutes of setup. And experienced DJs will appreciate how quickly it integrates into existing setups or software preferences. The two-deck configuration is versatile enough for basic mixes, live mashups, and even creative remixes, while the portability ensures you're not tied to a single location. If you've ever struggled with heavy, complicated controllers, the DDJ-FLX4 solves that problem by balancing performance, simplicity, and aesthetics in one compact unit. Its durability, smooth controls, and thoughtful design reflect Pioneer's reputation for quality, and the included USB cable means setup is straightforward and stress-free. Overall, whether you are a beginner looking to learn DJing fundamentals, a streamer wanting a stylish and functional controller, or an experienced performer needing a reliable secondary device, the DDJ-FLX4 White Limited Edition delivers a complete experience. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the link in the description below to grab the Pioneer DJ DDJ-FLX4 at the best price in the market and elevate your DJ game today.